Hello everyone, in this video I am going to make a chocolate braided cake. Let's see the ingredients for dough. For that we need 4 cups of all-purpose flour, 2 teaspoons of yeast and 1.5 teaspoon of vanilla essence, half cup of sugar, 1 egg, 2 egg yolks, 100 grams of butter and 1 cup of milk. That's it. Let's begin. First we have to take a warm milk. In that we have to add a 2 teaspoon of yeast. Then wait for a few minutes to yeast get activate. Then mix all the ingredients which we have for the dough and mix it. Add the all dry ingredients also. Make it as a dough and dust the floor with some flour not to get sticky. And separate it as an equal of and cover it. Keep it for a while in the bowl. It gets double. Meanwhile, we'll prepare the choco fill. For choco fill, we need a chocolate, butter, 1 cup of sugar, 1/4 cup of cocoa powder, 1 teaspoon of coffee powder. Combine all the ingredients in a bowl and microwave it for 1 minute. Then stir it thoroughly. And take the dough, roll it, and spread the choco fills and roll it like this. Now let's braid it. And preheat the oven for 180 °C and keep it in the oven for 20 minutes. Just wash the braided cake with the egg and place it in the oven. Our choco braided cake is ready. It's yummy and tasty. Thanks for watching. Bye bye. Do subscribe my channel.